Welcome to another video. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can control the speed of DC motor and how to turn off completely. Because in the previous tutorial, I showed that you can control the speed of a DC motor, but you cannot turn it off completely. But let me show you which one I was talking about. This one. In this tutorial, I showed that how do you control the speed of a DC motor, but you cannot uh, turn it off completely. So that's why I'm going to make a tutorial about it. How do you control the speed of a DC motor and how to turn it off completely. So for that, you are going to open this website called tinkercad.com and bring these three components: potentiometer, a slide switch, 9-volt battery, and a DC motor. Here we have the DC motor. So this is how you will be able to, but you can press R on the keyboard to rotate these components after selecting them. Here we go. Here we have the potentiometer and here we have the slide switch. You can use a slide switch here and potentiometer also right there. Just like that. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Here we have the DC motor, potentiometer and slide switch. So connect this positive terminal of the slide switch to terminal 1 and this common terminal to the potentiometer terminal 1 and then wiper terminal and the wiper terminal to the terminal 1 and this terminal 2 to the DC battery. Here we have, and change the colors of wires if you want. Change the colors of wires. Now I will start the simulation and you will see. I will start the simulation by clicking on this button. As you can see, the motor is rotating anti-clockwise and it's showing 17,432 rpm and with the minus sign. That means the polarity is other way around. So what I will do is stop the simulation and just delete this battery, bring again this battery and just make a connection like that right here and connect this red wire to the positive terminal of the battery and change the colors of these wires so you can understand how this is working. There we go. Now I will start the simulation again. As you can see, now motor is rotating clockwise, and the thing is, when I will rotate this potentiometer should be 10 kilo ohm, and when I will start the simulation, as you can see the 291 rpm, you can change the rpm by rotating this potentiometer, but you can see the motor is still running. But if you want to stop the motor, you can use the slide switch to turn it off completely. You can turn on and you can change the rpm of the motor. You can turn it off right here. You can turn on again. So this is how you can control the speed of the motor, and you can turn it off completely. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.